JetBlue 775, can you turn right through left at Kilo Echo, line up Avoidance.
Yeah, left Kilo Echo, line up Avoidance, JetBlue 775.
JetBlue 775, wind 050 at 12, gust 20, runway 31 left at Kilo Echo, clear for takeoff.
31 left Kilo Echo, please look out JetBlue 775.
JetBlue 775, helicopter 700 feet just off the right inbound to Kennedy, no factor. They have you in sight. You can contact me at departure today.
JetBlue 775, thanks. We'll see you. Departure JetBlue 775, 1.6, climbing 5 on the breezy point.
JetBlue 775, New York departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 11,000.
11,000, JetBlue 775.
And Kennedy Tower, JetBlue 775.
JetBlue 775?
Yeah, we just departed a couple minutes ago, had a TCAS RA with a helicopter. We would like a phone number for you guys and the tape smart, please.
JetBlue 775, you ready for the number?
Yes, sir. Copy that. And as we rotated and the nose was coming up, we had a 0 on the TCAS, same altitude, passed over them at 600 feet. We never had them in sight.
JetBlue 775, Roger.
Thank you.